Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to update your PowerShell in your Windows 11 machine. To do this, in the search window, you will have to go and type power so that you have a best match for Windows PowerShell. Now, you do a right click on the Windows PowerShell and then click on Run as Administrator. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may go ahead and click on Yes or Continue on the screen. Now, once you have the PowerShell open, you will have to check what version of PowerShell has been currently installed on the computer. To do this, you may go ahead and type the command $P capital P S V capital caps V version table with T caps and hit enter. I will also mention this command in the video description, and with this you will get to know what version of PowerShell has been currently installed on the computer, so which is 5.1.22621 version. Now to update it to the latest version, we will go ahead and check what version has been currently available. To check what version of PowerShell is currently available for Microsoft, you will have to go ahead and type the command which says winget search space microsoft.powershell. You can also copy and paste the command in the video description by doing a right click. This should paste the command directly into the PowerShell and hit enter. So this will tell you what version of PowerShell has been currently installed. In case if you get this message, the one which you are seeing on the screen, it will prompt you to accept the all source agreement. So you may go ahead and click on yes and hit enter. Now this will tell you currently there are two versions of PowerShell available. One is PowerShell 7.4, which is the full or a stable version. Another version we have is PowerShell Preview, which is 7.5. So what we will do is we will go ahead and install the latest version. Now to install the latest version, what you will have to do is you will have to go ahead and enter the command which says winget space install space 2 dashes. Now here you will have to type ID. This is the command, and here you will have to go ahead and paste the version which you want to install. In case if you want to install the preview version, you may go ahead and select the preview version. In case if you want to install the stable one, you can copy it here. You can select the version and then do a right click. That should copy it. In my case, for the demonstration purpose, I'm going to install the preview version. So select the preview version, copy it, and then do a right click here. That should automatically paste the command, and hit space, put 2 dashes, and then type the command source space winget and hit enter. I will also mention the complete command to install the two version in the video description. You can copy and paste to the version which you want to install. Once you type this command, hit enter, that will go ahead and install the latest version of Microsoft Windows PowerShell on the computer. So once the installation is complete, you will have to go ahead and restart the computer, and then you should be able to see the latest version of Windows PowerShell on your computer. So this is how you can go ahead and install the latest version or update the PowerShell in your Windows machine. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.